Sorry for being a mess. I gave my best, but was too late.
I am going to use this to clean my nails because this is good to use to clean inside your nails. You know, like here you can collect dirt, bacteria, all that stuff from working, you know, being outside, whatever it is. So you've got to clean inside your nails as well. My cotton rounds so I can do clean the nail polish or just a nail bed. Also my professional nail polish remover, moisturizing formula. It's lavender, so I love this. I got it in 5 and Below for $3 and I really love it. It's amazing. It's nice and soft. It's nice on my nails. It doesn't like dry them out, so I'm good to go. I love getting this at 5 and Below. Also have my cuticle cutter here, my cuticle pusher. You can either use one like this as metal, or you can use a wood one. You're not pushing too much cuticle. You're not really pushing your cuticle a little too much. You don't want it to hurt, because if it hurts and you're doing it wrong, you can actually hurt your nail bed. You do not want to do that. And then of course I'm using my cuticle oil, which I got this one in the dollar store. It's a cuticle oil and nail strengthener, which is amazing. I love the way it smells and keep my nail nice and moisturized. But I also have this one as well that I got from Amazon. And today I don't know what color I'm gonna use. I don't know if I should do I'm gonna do blue with a like white accent nail. These two from L.A Colors, the base top coat, and also I also apply the L.A Color Mega Grow so it can help my nails grow on top of that. So I'm using this to take all the oils, any grease, any oils that you have in your nails. And I'm going to take my nail clipper and I'm gonna clip them down just a little bit. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us. Just the edges, just to kind of make the edges a little bit nice and really. I mean, I like them oval, but since I cut them shorter, I'm just gonna do keep them squared. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're going to shape the nail and we're gonna stay in one direction only. Do not go like this. Even though sometimes I forget and I just go ham, but try to go in one direction. Just try to keep it in one direction.
We've been talking for an hour, we just can't find the end. We won't understand each other. I wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself.
So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this bowl of water that I have here that has hot water, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna soak my hand in it, and then I'm gonna get the coffee grains, scrub. And guys, I'm promising you, when you guys do this, your hand's so soft and so smooth. Feels like a baby's butt. It's amazing.
Keep holding on for nothing.
Legit, you only need a little bit. So this is the coffee. What I'm gonna do, I am just legit going to scrub my hands.
We had our times, but now I know that they are gone. Wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one.
Where guys, my hands, see how it just looks so shiny? It feels like a baby's butt. Not even gonna lie. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab my cuticle and then I'm just going to push. I'm not pushing hard. I'm just pushing my cuticle. That is all I'm doing. I'm just gonna push the cuticle back real quickly and then we'll be right back. So now that my cuticles are pushed back, I'm going to go with my cuticle cutter. Add a little bit of this on, legit guys, just the cuticle here, like the cuticle skin, and then I'm going to massage that in, and then I'll go back with the cotton round and wipe the nails again.
We've been talking for an hour.
Cotton swab that we had, and I'm just gonna go onto the nail like this because I don't want, when I apply the nail polish, any oils on my nail bed.
I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go.
This guys, what I do is I go directly into my Mega Grow.
We fall down the more we keep trying, leaving us with scars. I've been told I should go and find myself again. The more we keep trying.
Use this color Aquatica. So yeah guys, I really love this blue. This blue is really pretty.
We both know we pretend we should go, but we keep trying to find a reason why we can't move on. I think we're scared to be alone. We had our times, but now I know that they are gone. Wonder how it feels to fall asleep and love the one that's next to me. I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go, find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own.
Yeah, so you can see I love the color. The blue is so pretty. Forgot how much I actually love this blue.
I should go and find myself again. The more we keep trying.
Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget once again to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. And like I always say, God bless you.